Hello everyone, today I will teach you my girlfriend's favorite sweet. And because strawberries are in the season, it will be strawberry marshmallows. So let's do it. The ingredients you need are very simple. Gelatin, strawberries, sugar, honey, vanilla paste, salt and lemon juice. Exact amounts will be in the description down below. And I start with cleaning some strawberries and chopping them roughly. I also cut my lemon and let's make easy strawberry jam. So I mix strawberries with spoon of sugar and lemon juice and I will cook it on medium heat until the strawberries get overcooked. I mash them a little bit with whisk and transfer them to a mixing bowl and I leave it inside the fridge to cool down. If you have still some visible pieces of strawberries inside, that's not a problem, they will get mashed later on. When the mix gets cold, I put my water in, a pinch of salt, vanilla paste and also my gelatin. Mix a little bit and leave it on the side for around 5 minutes. And in the meantime, you can start with the next step. You want to mix water, sugar and honey inside a pot and bring it to the temperature around 115 degrees Celsius. And immediately after that, you have to mix it slowly into the gelatin mix. And when everything is inside, you can put your machine on maximum speed and you just wait until you get nice thick consistency. You want to end up with something similar to this. And the last step is just to transfer it inside any mold and I leave it inside the fridge overnight. And the next day, you just take it out of the mold and you can cut any pieces and shapes you like. I will do classic cubes and I also recommend you to use powdered sugar so they don't stick like crazy. I am using silicone mold so it's easy to take it out, but if you have something metal, I will recommend you to using cling film or baking paper underneath. And that's it, strawberries marshmallows are done, so let's taste them. The first piece has to go to my girlfriend, because she loves it. My food inspector have a bad day today, because this is definitely too sweet for him, so he got different treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe guys, and if you want to get another inspiration on how to use strawberries, check out this video and learn how you can make my amazing strawberry sorbet at home. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.